plus 2 CBSE non-profit organization. This chapter will be useful for even first year graduates. So plus 2 CBSE and for undergraduates. Non-profit organization. Already 2 videos I have made covering how to calculate subscription and how to compute stationery used, sports material used, medicines used, such like that. Now today I am going to take from the receipts and payments account given how to prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is nothing but profit and loss account. Since it is a non-profit organization, we don't use the words profit and loss. Instead, we use income and expenditure account. Otherwise, the principle is same. Now let us see problem. Prepare income and expenditure account from the following receipts and payments account of ABC Club for the year ending 31st December 2020. Receipts and payments: opening balance 32,300, subscription 2,600 for 2019 and 370 for 2021 is included in the amount collected, that is 39,200. Sale of furniture 2,400. Book value as on 1/1/2020 is 3,000. Sale of old newspaper is 750. Entrance fees 3,460. Life member fees 5,000. Total 83,100 is the total amount of receipts. Now coming to total amount of payments: by salary 17,000. Rent 1,700 including rent for January 2021 300. Printing and stationery 2,750, postage 170, furniture purchased 24,000, 10% investments on 1/7/2020 30,000 rupees, and by balance carried down 7,490. So the total is this. A very simple problem. Now I go to do the problem. On the receipt side, we find the subscription. So subscription actual amount received is 39,200. For 2019, outstanding subscription of 2019 that is received now. So I am removing that figure. Advance subscription for the year 2021. This is as on 31st December 2020. Subscription received is 39,200, which includes 2019 figure 2019, sorry, 1920, by mistake I have put. This is given as 2,600 and 2071 figure is given as 370. Both these figures do not pertain to this year, so I am removing that part. $36,230. So what I am doing is that just I have seen that 0. So this is 0 I have put. Here 7. I want 0 here. 7 plus 3 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 6 10. Whereas here 2. Therefore I am putting 12. So 2 I have put. Balance 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 and 36. Or you can do separately. and get this answer 36,230. The next one is sale of furniture 2,400. Book value of furniture is 3,000 as on the opening date, and we have sold for 2,400. So what is the journal entry you will make for this? Cash account 2,400, P&L account in general, that is a loss, to furniture 3,000. This is the journal entry you will be making. So in the income and expenditure, only the last part will come. So to loss on sale. That is 600. Nothing else will come. That's why I have made the journal entry for you. Now we go to the next entry in the receipts and payments account. Sale of old newspaper. So income comes. Sale of old newspapers 750 rupees. Next, the entrance fees. Generally we take entrance fee here as income for the year. Sometimes the problem they will say 50% entrance fee to be capitalized. In such case only you will take 50% here and 50% to balance sheet. So entrance fees 3,460. The next entry in the receipts and payments on receipt side is life membership fees. That is a capital receipt, so it will not come here. Now we will go to the payment side, salaries. To salaries 17,000. Rent paid. Actual rent paid is 1,700. Advance we have paid, rent paid in advance for 2021, 300 rupees given. So for this year we have paid only 1,400 towards rent. Printing and stationery 2,750 rupees. Postage 170. Furniture is a capital payment. So we have purchased furniture which is an asset, so it will not come. 10% investment which we have made on 1,720, 30,000 would be appearing here because that is an asset. But interest accrued on investment will be coming. So interest accrued. How much is the interest accrued? Investment we have made 30,000. When did we? On 1/7. This is the income and expenditure for the year 31st December 2020. That means interest accrued is for 6 months. This you have to think of. What is the rate of investment? 10% interest they are giving. For 10% interest per year will be 3,000. Therefore for 6 months 1,500. This is for 1 year. Into 10 by 100. So cancel and cancel. 3,000 for 1 year. For half year it is 1,500. This is the interest accrued, but we have not yet received. So it will be an income. Interest accrued 1,500. Now we have taken everything. Check up once again whether everything is taken properly. Then we can go for the totaling and balancing the figure. Just rough look says that the receipt side is more. So get the total. $19 and then 2 plus 3, 5 plus 36, 41,940. Put that here, 41,940. Find the balance figure. So 5 plus 7, 12. Therefore 2, 14. So carry over 1, 7, 11, 12 and then 19. So 0. Carry over 1, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 2, 21. So 20,020, I am getting it as balancing figure. This is, we have collected income more than expenses, so we say that surplus income over expenses. This is the profit if you have preparing P&L account, but it is not a profit and loss account, non-profit organization. So we say that we have collected income over expenses during this year is 20,020. So that comes the end. This problem I have explained to you how to compute the income and expenditure account. So it is very much similar to profit and loss account. You have to take into account all adjustments. If it is said very clearly, that has to be taken. Otherwise, if it is hidden, as it is here, 10% investment, if they have given the date, then you have to calculate the interest accrued for that period from the date of investment to the date of the income and expense. That is the balance sheet date. So that completes the first problem. Now let me go to the next problem of preparing income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Okay, so that we will see in the next video. So if you understood this problem as well as the concept, please do subscribe and also suggest to your friends to watch it and let them also subscribe if they are satisfied. Thank you for watching.